Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and now I will teach you how to cook delicious food made from this place. Okay, let's go. Ah, ah. Okay guys, so ingredients we need here it's only salt, white salt, the tomato, garlic, chili, absolutely trashy, and egg. And for the tools we need is only this destroyer. In Ark Survival we use to create narcotic for tame some animal, and this plate and spoon. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh, okay. So first we put all of that ingredient in this destroyer: onion, salt, trashy, chili, and I forgot one ingredient again. This is, I don't know. Okay, let's destroy first. Okay, guys. We destroy until it cannot. This is so delicious because this is made from traditional, contrast from this. Okay, now we destroy the egg and put in this. Look at this little guy. And then we add the garlic leaf. Okay, after we put the egg and the leaf here, we take our this seasoning and then put the seasoning here. Okay. Okay, this is our ingredient and we put here. So we make all of this little guy become one each other. Okay, looks great. Okay, so now we warming the pan first, and after the pan already warming, we put this guy to this. Okay. Looks how beautiful this. Okay. Okay. Gini nyebarin. Okay. Looks good. Third, we use this to spatula like SpongeBob. Sudah dah.
Nanti nasinya kasih yang kecil dulu, baru dituangin di ada kan mangkok kecil.
Okay.
Nah itu.
Okay. Our egg is already finished. Now we can put in our plate here. Rada ribet. Okay. Put. Nggak apa-apa lah. Okay, and put rice there. Okay. Okay, this guys, our food. Okay, now we try our food and coba dulu.
Bismillah.
Okay. Okay, what do you think about the food? Good lah, good. Okay, good. Okay, that's our video for today. Thank you for see our video. Assalamualaikum.